Imagine you walk into a high-end retail store or a luxury hotel lobby, and you're immediately drawn to the sleek and stunning visuals on the giant digital signage screens. Now, let's talk about the technology behind these mesmerizing displays. The LG PK640S 75-inch UHD 4K commercial signage TV is the perfect solution for businesses, hospitality, and office use, providing an unbeatable combination of cutting-edge features, seamless connectivity, and user-friendly management. But what if you're still using an outdated digital signage system with low-resolution displays and clunky content management? Are you stuck with tedious manual processes and limited flexibility to keep your visuals up to date with the latest trends? The truth is, an outdated digital signage system not only reflects poorly on your brand, but also fails to engage your audience, losing potential customers and revenue. Now, let's dive into the LG PK640S 75-inch UHD 4K commercial signage TV. The moment you unbox this product, you're struck by its sleek and sturdy build quality. The 75-inch 4K UHD resolution display boasts an impressive 3840 by 2160 pixels, delivering crystal clear and vibrant visuals that grab the attention of anyone in the room. With HDR10 Pro support, the images are enhanced with vivid colors and sharp detail, making your content stand out in any commercial environment. The LG PK640S is powered by the latest webOS 25 smart display platform, which offers an integrated content and group management system. This means you can create, schedule, and manage your content seamlessly without the need for external media players or software. With webOS 25, you can even control multiple displays at once, centralizing your content management and streamlining your workflow. Plus, the intuitive interface makes it easy for non-tech-savvy users to manage their content, reducing the risk of human error. Seamless connectivity is another key feature of the LG PK640S. With built-in Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity, you can easily connect your displays to your network and stream content from various sources. The LG PK640S also supports multiple content sources, including USB, HDMI, and wireless content sharing, ensuring that you have flexibility in displaying your content. In the real world, this product delivers impressive performance and results. Imagine being able to easily update your content in real time, without the need for manual intervention or expensive hardware upgrades. The LG PK640S makes it possible to deliver dynamic and engaging visuals that keep your audience captivated and informed. Plus, with its robust and scalable design, the LG PK640S can handle demanding use cases and integrate with existing systems with ease. Of course, no review would be complete without mentioning the pros and cons. One of its key strengths is its user-friendly management interface, which simplifies content creation, scheduling, and updates. webOS 25 also offers robust security features, which helps safeguard your content from unauthorized access or tampering. However, some users might find the webOS 25 interface a bit overwhelming at first, given the sheer amount of features and options available. Additionally, the LG PK640S, as with any commercial display, does require regular maintenance and software updates to ensure optimal performance. When it comes to competing options, the LG PK640S stands out with its superior image quality and comprehensive feature set. While other commercial displays might offer similar features, the PK640S offers more comprehensive and seamless connectivity options, making it a more versatile solution for businesses and hospitality providers. So what's the verdict? The LG PK640S 75-inch UHD 4K commercial signage TV is an outstanding solution for any business, organization, or hospitality provider looking to elevate their digital signage experience. Its unbeatable combination of 4K resolution, HDR10 Pro, webOS 25 smart display platform, and built-in CMS control makes it an excellent choice for creating stunning visuals and engaging content. Don't miss out on the opportunity to experience the future of digital signage today.